All right, so a lot of you know that I got excited about Hempworx's CBD products because of what they did for me. But as I looked more closely, and I'm seeing the other products, from the packaging to the quality of the products to how much people are just raving about different ones that aren't even in the CBD market, it's just absolutely incredible. I love the company's products. It had a personal impact on me. But today I wanted to talk about business. But that's why I'm here. I don't want anyone to ever forget that. That's why I'm here. I'm a marketer, I'm a business person. And so when I get passionate about something, when something affects me, and I'm able to offer that to other people, and then when you add the excitement around a new industry and new level of awareness coming to the world about CBD and other cannabinoids, I get extremely excited. And I get really excited because I've been trained for 25 years through experience on how to help other people launch their business. So this just has everything coming together. I wanted to show you today how I'm using the rotator. That's a magnificent marketing tool inside the My Daily Choice Hempworx system to create incentives for our sales team to accomplish their dreams and goals, but to prove to them first that it works off my risk of capital, and gives them the ability to not just launch the one leg, but also to produce incredible results in launching the volume in their second leg. And as you know, you only need two legs. So what I'm going to show you is really powerful. You can use this in your own organization, or if you're on our team, look for opportunities where I'm literally using my funds to launch something and giving you an opportunity to earn a rotation in that marketing and receive incredibly high quality leads dropped right into your team line. And I'm giving you the content, the presentations, everything to follow up with them to use. So here's how I do that. So you might not be aware of these tools. If you go over here and you go to tools, the first thing you're going to notice is leads and traffic. So I just want to talk about that. You can buy leads from back here. There's a lot of options. And without the right content, the right follow-up emails, the right presentations, you may not like your results. So it's a lot about what you're following up with. And again, this will be one of the areas that I'm testing, and I'll let people know what our results are. But there are other things that I'll be testing and sharing, things that I'm doing to build my own business that are kind of requiring, more connections, not something that the mass market necessarily consumes, that I'll be testing this against as well, and I'll keep you guys updated. But those are a possible good resource. We'll find out. Now, under tools, we also see traffic rotator. Now, this is what allows me to do this. And if you're a leader, this is what allows you to do this with your team. Now, if you're in my organization, I'll be showing you how to use these kinds of tools, particularly those of you in the top 100 group or the level 2 support group. I'm going to be showing you how to do things like this. So what is the rotator? Well, you see it says your traffic rotator link to promote is, and it gives this link. So I would maybe go to a marketer or be able to advertise this on your behalf, on my team's behalf, and you could do this for your team's behalf. And I'm responsible with my marketing expertise to set up the marketing, to negotiate, do all kinds of things, using my own money, by the way. That's how I use it. You can use this how you want, but I kick these off using my own money. Like right now, I'm starting one, putting $5,000 into it. I have another one that's kind of a mix of me giving them my social media marketing traffic, plus I give them 10% of my Hempworx income to help them promote their marketing business. That's another rotator. Lots of different things going on, different ways you can use this. And you could have other people pay to be a part of it, and you manage it for them, because a lot of people don't have the expertise or the time to manage and to track and to test and to improve results with. So, but I start this off like right now using my $5,000. So I don't want other people to risk the money up front. I want to prove that it works. I want to put that responsibility on me, that if it's going to get results, it's going to be, my risk. And if it doesn't, then I'm going to do what it takes so that it does before others have to risk it. So we kick this off with my $5,000, just how I'm using it. I get to market this one link, and I get to add, by clicking here, add traffic rotator entry, I get to add all these different usernames of people that have earned the opportunity, to have a free position in that marketing rotator. and it just goes after one and then the other and then the other. And I can actually allocate, more than one rotation that says hits per cycle for people that may have earned, a greater, opportunity to get more traffic. Maybe they prove to themselves that when they get someone in their team line from this, I put together an incentive, for example, that those of you who enroll somebody get a position in this rotation. And if you accomplish something a little bit more, you get more, maybe double the rotation. This is the kind of thing that you want to put in place to really help your team and to make sure that people are working for gaining extra leverage, gaining access. If you're going to put this together with your funds like I am, gaining access to all of that. So, and then they don't have to buy their way in to see that it works. It's pretty powerful and a huge win-win if you know how to market. So it's just a powerful thing that I also get to select which pages we want to test with. So I'll be doing all that for my team, testing which pages are getting the best results. I'm using my money, so my neck's on the line, not other people's money, until after it's worked. And then once you got it working and you've proven it's worked, then that might be the time that you consider, after proving it with your own risk and getting everyone launched with their second legs as well as their first, then maybe you can ask for people to pay to participate because you've proven that it works. That's how I like to use this. It's a really powerful tool. And those of you that are in our team, ask around so you can learn about whatever incentive we might have going right now for you to jump into one of these powerful 2-leg marketing rotation machines.